Today we are going to understand the pressure sand filter, an essential part of almost every water and wastewater treatment system. A pressure sand filter, often called APSF. Inside the vessel are multiple layers of carefully graded sand and gravel. These layers are arranged in a way that ensures maximum filtration efficiency. PSF is a vertical cylindrical vessel designed to remove suspended solids, turbidity, and visible impurities from raw water. This clear water can then move forward to the next stage of treatment, such as activated carbon filtration, softener, ultrafiltration, etc. You're the blueprint, don't let anyone treat you like a rough draft. Over time, the sand bed accumulates impurities, which reduces its efficiency. To restore its performance, a process known as backwashing is carried out. In backwashing, clean water is forced upward in the reverse direction. Externally, the pressure sand filter is designed with inlet and outlet nozzles, valves for operation and isolation, a drain line, and a backwash line. A top manhole and ladder are also provided for inspection and maintenance purposes, making it safe and convenient for operators. Because of its efficiency and durability, the pressure sand filter is widely used in industries, municipal water supply projects, commercial establishments, and sewage treatment plants. It is valued for being cost-effective, easy to operate, and highly dependable. No. At WTE Infra Projects, we manufacture and supply advanced pressure sand filters engineered for long service life and consistent performance. Our systems are built to deliver safe, clean, and sustainable water, helping industries and communities meet their growing water needs.